Hello students, welcome to our grade 3 social science class. This is the lesson 1, our earth reading class. First class we saw a detailed story about this class, isn't it? Now we are going to read the lesson. If you have a textbook, take it and sit with me, okay? This lesson is a first lesson, our earth. This is a conversation between a teacher and a student. A student named Neeraj. This boy asks many explanation about where do we live, and the teacher Miss Soni explains her about that. Let's go to the lesson. The earth is a planet. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. The earth is the only planet that has life. Earth is the only planet that has life. The sun shines on the earth to give heat and light. The earth consists of water that is very important for all living beings. A large portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. We already saw that earth is covered by 75% of water. Hence it is called as blue planet. Which is called as blue planet? The earth is called as blue planet. It has air all around it that helps us to breathe. This layer of air is called atmosphere. Okay? We breathe in air, eat plants and animals, drink water and stay warm. Okay, all living beings get food and water and air from the earth. All living beings get food, water from the earth. Neeraj asked, do we all have a family? Does the earth also have a family? Miss Soni replied, yes, the earth has a family too. It has 7 planets in its family. Together they make 8 planets. The sun is a star and the head of the family is sun. The sun and the 8 planets makes the solar system. Okay. What are the 8 planets? Do we know that? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the 8 planets. Okay. In this, the questions is given, isn't it? Name all the 8 planets from the solar system. In the MCQ questions, MCQ multi-choice question. The sun is a, which box will you tick? Star. Okay. In this book, we have read that 100 of years ago, people feared to travel long distances. He could not understand why, and so she asks Miss Soni. Okay, Miss Soni answered, this is an interesting question. Long ago, the human world thought that the earth was flat like a square with edges. Okay, they even feared that if they had traveled too far lands, then chances were that they would fall off. That day itself I told, isn't it? He asked that whether the earth is a flat. They even feared that if they travel too far off lands, then chances were that we would fall off. But then we had some learned men like Aristotle and Copernicus who said that earth was not a flat at all, but it was like a ball with any edges. It's like a ball with any edges. Who said this? Aristotle and Copernicus. Around 500 years ago, continued Miss Soni, Ferdinand Magellan went on a cruise. Cruise means a journey in the sea. It's called as cruise. He started from Spain and sailed in the same direction for 3 years. 3 years, Ferdinand Magellan traveled in the same direction. He sailed west and reached the same point from where he had started. This proved that earth was flat, not round. He started from Spain and then he reached the same point after 3 years. Okay, Neeraj looked ahead and asked, Miss, when I stand on my terrace, at times I feel that far away from the sky bends to meet the land. My mother tells me it is not so, but it's looking magical hug from a height. This boy Neeraj asked second question. Okay, next. From a height. Okay. Next. Yes, it does look like the sky and the earth meet at a point when you look at it from an height. Okay, when you look from a height, the sky and the earth seems to meet. But understand, there is the difference. They seem to meet, but in reality they don't meet. Okay, horizon is a place where the land and the sea seems to meet. Land and the sea seems to meet to the sky, but it does not meet. But Neeraj, the land and the sea meet in reality. The place where they meet in reality is called as coast. What does they meet? Land and the sea, which meet in reality, is called as coast. Replied Miss Soni. Okay, replied Miss Soni. See, in this picture, the sky seems to meet the sea seems to meet the sky at the horizon. Okay, the land and the sea meet at the coast. Okay, can we go to the next? Yes, the bell rang and it was time to go home. So Neeraj thanked the teacher and walked towards its home with a mind full of useful informations. Now you can learn the keywords. The heavenly body, the sun, moon, planets and the stars are called heavenly body. Planets, a body moving around the sun is called as planets. Okay, solar system, the sun and the 8 planets form a family known as solar system. Next, horizon, the place where the land and the sea seems to meet the sky is called as horizon. The place where the land and the sea meet is called as coast. Now we have come to this class end. Okay, we have finished the first lesson reading. Okay ma, if you have time, spend time to read the book again and again at your home and get useful informations. Okay, thank you.